Welcome to Twinbush, Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 10 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the Mobile Scissor Lift S310EFZ from Twinbush. The TWS310EFZ is our mobile scissor lift with a high quality galvanized construction and a lifting capacity of 3,000 kilograms. With a lifting height of 1 meter, the lift is perfectly suited for tire service and body work. You can move your lift easily with the optionally available mobile kit. And with the optionally available ramps, even extremely low vehicles can be easily driven onto the lift. Let's have a look at the TWS310EFZ in action. For this, we will firstly position the lift with the mobile kit. The access ramps can be locked to extend the reception surface for longer vehicles, and set down to drive cars onto the lift. The mobile control unit can be comfortably brought to its desired position. With the up button, we lift up a bit to remove the mobile kit. The TWS310EFZ is well suited for sports cars due to its low drive-over height of only 11 centimeters. Rubber blocks with a height of 40 mm are included with the TWS310EFZ. We use the optionally available 20 mm rubber blocks. The lift is locked automatically as it goes up. Due to the electromagnetic release system, compressed air is not required to operate the lift. The platforms can be extended by locking the access ramps. Therefore, lifting bigger cars with longer wheelbases is possible.